Hey everyone, this is Hannah. So today I want to do a tutorial video for this A2 folio die set. And this video will be a little different because I thought it about a lot of time actually. And then because we have so many different ways to play with this folio die set. So if I did all in one video, then it will be a very long video. So this time I just made it differently, and I will show you the ways that I think that you can use to play with this folio die set, and I will show you the layout of it, because the gluing part and cutting part is very easy, and it's a very versatile die set. You can be very creative with this die set. You can use any ways you want to play with this die set. So yeah, so let me show you the dies I used, because I didn't use the layering pieces. See, I have made all these and I didn't use the layering pieces. I just want to show you the layout of the folio that I worked out to use this die set. So I only use all the basic piece. So this is the A2 size card base. So this is the base, and then these are like flaps, or you can make it into pockets with this set. And then you also get these that you can make them as a flap part or make it as pocket part. It's just up to you. And then you will also get these pieces. So you get 3 sizes. See, the width is different. So this one is that when you, so it's cut out like this. So when you fold it just along this folding line, it will look like this. And then for the medium one, it will have a little depth here. So you also fold it along this folding line. So it will look like this. See, it has some depth. And then for the large one, the depth is larger. So yeah. So it will look like this. So 3 different width for the longer part, this longer part. Then also 3 different sizes for the shorter part that you can use to build it. So if your folio is large, then in this way you can have more space for you to put your things inside. So first, the easiest one is that, yeah, because I made this connective part into different color so you can see it better. So I first cut these 2 pieces out and then cut these 2 flaps part, and then use this one just to glue it together. So it's very easy just to add glue at this part and glue it on this part. So this is the first layout part that you can use it like so. So yeah, then you can decorate your front side with the layering pieces, right? And then it will like this. You can also make it into pockets by adding glue at these 2 parts. So yeah, adding glue at the very edge of these two parts. And glue it. So in this way, you can have a pocket here, right? Okay, I need to wait it till it dry. So this way you can have a pocket here. Or you can make it just like a flap part. So this is the first way to make it. So you can make a very simple folio with this set. Then you can also like make it, let me see what I did for this one. So for this one, I made it 3 pages. So this is the 2-page one. And for making 3 pages, then you need to use this part. So this is the first page with this one. And then for the second page, you need to use it with this one with the depth. Because when you fold it, see here, if you when you make it into 3 pages folios, it needs some space for you, right, to put things inside. Then in this way, this one only has used this glue flap, and then for this one, you need to add a little depth at this part, so you can have enough space for you to put things inside. So this is the way to use the 3 pages. And here I also added this flap here. So for this flap, you can add it like so. Then you can add some image at this part, right? And then for this part, I add this one. So add this one as a pocket here. So just glue these 3 ends and stick it on top. So it will be a pocket at this part. And then for this part, I add this pocket here. So it's like so. So this is another way that when you want to make a 3 pages folio, it will look like this. You know, you can definitely make a lot of different layouts with it, right? As you can put it, make a pocket here, or just make it as a flap part like so, then it will be a flap part here, or you can make a pocket at this part also. Just so many ways to play with this die set. So in this video, I only shows you some of these ideas that I think about of making this folio set. This one, it's definitely have so many different ways, so many tutorials. So I find it a little hard for me to explain it in this video. So I think of this way. And then I also made it into this way. So this way is that when I saw our design team member that they made a lot of beautiful folios, and I thought this one, then I think this is also a good way. So for this one, I made it just so it will look like a envelope, right? Like so, it opens like so, and like this. So I used the medium one for the longer part and for the shorter part, so it will have the same depth. And then you can put some like embellishment that you want to send to in your happy mail, or you want to gift to your friends, like some embellishment with some depth here, right, with some dimension here, and you can put it inside and fold it like so. Then it will be a nice way to send your gift. And because we also have a belly band in the set, then you can also make it it's not belly band, it's a ribbon. but you can definitely make it into a belly band here, and then yeah, then it will look like this, right? Just this is a way to send it with this one, just like a Happy Mail. Put some goodies inside. So this is one way, and then you can definitely use this this one with more depth. Then you can put more things inside. Yeah, so this is another way to play with it. And then I also made this one. So for this one, I made it with several pages, because when you made it, so it's like this. So first, I grew this these two parts here. So first I grew this part here, and then let me see. Actually, I'm thinking I did make a mistake. I should make this one with the medium size. Then I can make another page here and fold it back. Then it will be better. But this way is also okay. So I first grew these here, this part with the with this piece here, and then I grew this one with the largest one here, and then I can have a space here to put some things inside, right? And then for this part, I made these with the second groove flap, the medium size. Then they will be the same size here. And then I add a flap part at this part and fold it like so. And then for this one is like this. Then this way it will also make it look like an envelope open. Yes, but I think I need to still made it with this same depth at the medium size at this part. And then yeah, let me show you. And then fold it back to this part, and then add this piece here, and fold it back like so. Then it will be like this way. So you can open it like this, and then change it to this way, and then open it like so. Then it will have more pages in this way, like 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 4 pages in this way. Yeah, I think that way is better to use this depth. So yeah, it just depends on how you want it to be. So this is this way. And then the last way is that when I saw a Christian's video on Instagram, and I think that is a very great idea to use it. So I just copied that idea, and yeah, it will look like this. So this one is this is the largest groove flap, and then these are the medium ones. So you can just cut this part in half, and then yeah, use the groove flaps here, just cut them to the same size as the one that you have cut, and then it will be a pocket here, and you can put like some stickers, ephemeras inside. It has some space for you, right? And this part just made it into a pocket here, so you can put things at this part. And for this part, this one is with the largest groove flap, and this one is with the medium groove flap. So when you fold it off, yeah, it have the enough space for you, right, in this way. And then for this one, I first made a pocket at this part. See here? So this is a pocket here. Then I also made a pocket at this part and a pocket at this part. Yeah, just by adding, first glue this piece and then adding glue to this one. Let me see how to show it to you. Okay, so yeah, by like this is the page, I add it like so. Just add glue at this part and this part, then you can make a pocket in this part, right? And then add another piece at this part, so it will be a double pocket. See, like so, 1, 2, right? So these ones I think is very useful. You can use it in any different ways. So this is another one that I want to show you, that you can put more dimensional goodies inside. So this is this one. So yeah, these are all the ways that I have played with this one, with this folio set. And yeah, show me the ones that you played with it, okay? Because I find that this one is really very versatile, and you have so many different ways to make it. And I will also link the videos to the design team members who have made their folios in the description box below. So definitely check that. And so if you have any questions, please let me know, because I'm afraid I'm not making myself explain very well in this video. So if you have any questions, please let me know. And so this is all for today, and thank you for watching. I will catch you in my next craft video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.